we are at Mingo Ranch again this morning after the typhoon, and it's Wednesday and it's very nice day. Bryson wants to come over here, and I forgot to bring my GoPro camera, so I just use my iPhone 16. We'll see how this one it goes. I got it, I got it. You want to go to slide?
Birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papa.
Yay!
Thank you, Bryson.
Dear Dad, thank you for being the best dad ever. Thank you for the things you've taught me, for caring for me and Bryson, and for being so kind. I'm so grateful to have you as my father. Happy birthday, I love you. Love, Bria and Bryson.
Whoa.
Love you too. Thank you.
Hello guys, so we're going to Dumaguete this morning, and then Dad and Brianna, they're gonna have some brunch, I think, in San Raval.
Yep.
That's their routine. They're gonna have cappuccino. Daddy is gonna have cappuccino. And then Bryson and I, we're gonna go to playground. That's our routine. And then grocery after, because Bryson always say, buy food. Because Bryson's been picking his snacks lately that he wants to eat. So it's gonna be good. And yeah, this is the reason why we purchased the car, because we can go together as a family. And also the pollution that we don't like over here in the Philippines, number one is the pollution.
Yesterday we had a typhoon, so it was handy yesterday for sure.
Yes, very handy.
Very crowded around town.
Yeah, especially when it's bear months. That's the rainy seasons, typhoon seasons. So car is very, very helpful when it comes to
getting very short, getting dark early.
yeah.
So we got another few more weeks till we hit the winter solstice, and the Earth begins tilting the other way.
Yeah.
It's headed towards spring. But it'll be a couple months till we actually notice much of that. But let's go giddy up.
So how do you like the car so far?
Well, I like a lot of things about it, you know. I got it tinted the way I want it. So it has a good tinting up here.
Oh yeah.
And really dark up here. So I like that. That helps with the glare for me. Yeah.
And over here too. These are all tinted over here.
Yeah,
Ours is, what's the name of ours? Medium?
yeah, your side tinting is medium.
Yeah, this is medium.
Yeah. This is light.
Yeah.
This is nothing here, but it's dark up here. Dark up here for the sun glare. And the back is dark.
How are you, Bria?
I'm good.
Yeah, so somebody asked in our comment section that they're waiting for our road trip. Well, we cannot go road trip yet, right? Because the reason is
We don't have the license plate and the formal registration. We only have the sort of a temporary copy. Or should be the end of this week or beginning of next week should get the hard copy from LTO. So then we can travel with that. And also we'll have the new plates, the actual good plates.
yes.
You know, I'm still kind of dealing with, they're different system over here, guys. I don't want to get into it, but it works for them. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm not doing any traveling right now except locally.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like Christmas when we spent it 1 year up there in Cebu at the Park Lane.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a nice Christmas up there.
Yeah. Very nice. That was when Bryson is in my tummy.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
It was nice over there.
But for now, we're just gonna stay right here in Dumaguete.
So we get our stuff together.
Yeah. So every day we're learning new features on this car.
We?
Well,
gonna start driving?
John
I
is.
hope. Yeah.
Brianna is gonna learn to drive soon, Bria. Right, Bria?
The legal
Yeah,
age, I
maybe.
think, is 15 here. I don't know.
16.
16? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that'll be a few years.
Yeah. And Bryson over here. Bryson really liked the car.
Oh, he loves it.
He loves it.
That dog right now.
Yeah, every night he say good night to this car.
Oh, yeah, when he looks out the window and says good night.
Yeah, he opened the window, say good night, white car. Oh, Bryson. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
No, everybody. Bryson got his belt right there. And we like the trunk because it's big.
Yeah, we haven't really used it. Well, a little bit. Yeah, I guess we have used it.
Yeah, we use it already for our grocery.
This is one of those cabins.
And before, we have a problem when we ordered a big pizza in Greenwich in Robinson Mall because of the motorcycle.
Yeah.
But now, no more problem.
Carry all that stuff.
Yeah. So it's so nice to have a car really in the Philippines.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You escape from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never want to share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find in the space a great escape.